Good morning, students. Today we are going to see that in class 7, chapter 5, construction. So last classes and all we are seeing only problems. So for change, today we are going to change the in geometry construction. Chapter 5 geometry construction. Okay. So now we are going to see that how we draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Construction of perpendicular bisector of a line segment. What is perpendicular bisector? Yes, a perpendicular line which divides a line segment into two equal parts is a perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. See, one line segment, if it is one line segment, in the line segment divide this line is called the perpendicular bisector. So which line is divides the line segment into two equal parts. Two equal parts. This line is called perpendicular bisector. Okay, do you understand? A perpendicular line means which divides a line segment into two equal parts. If it is the 10 centimeter, it divides 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. This line is called perpendicular bisector. Now we are going to construct the perpendicular bisector. So now I will tell how to construct the perpendicular bisector. So we will go for the example. Construct a perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB 6 cm. So now we are going to construct perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB 6 cm. In the 6 cm line segment, we are going to draw the perpendicular bisector. So they told AB, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector for line segment AB 6 cm. So what is the first step? So here I write the steps also. So you follow these steps and we have to construct the perpendicular bisector. First step, draw a line segment AB 6 cm. So here they given AB 6 cm. First we are going to construct AB 6 cm. So how you construct AB 6 cm? So 6 cm means from 0 to 6. 0 to 6. In 0 we have to put one point. In 6 we have to put another point. Now we are going to draw the line 6 cm. Okay, this is line segment A, B, 6 cm. Line segment AB 6 cm. We construct. Next step, using compass. So we have to take the compass. So before you are taking compass, do you know this is compass? We have to keep the pencil and keep it ready and check. So your pencil and compass should be in straight. Should be in same. Should be in same. If you keep straight, it should be touch. Both will touch the note in same. Okay. So one is up, one is down means it is not good. Okay. That is wrong. We measure, it comes the wrong value. So when we measure, before you are measuring, you check your compass. Both should be in same. Both should be in straight line. Okay. Both will touch. You have to check with your flat space. Okay. In floor or keep the notebook and you have to check. Okay. So now I keep both the one will in same. Okay. Do you see that? Both one looks same. So you take the next second point. Using a compass with A as the center. A as the center. Take more than half of the length of AB. Using compass, I have to measure more than half. More than half means half more. That is more than half. You measure length of AB. So you take more than half of length of AB. Okay, now I take A as the center means we have to keep A and we have to take more than half. Next, A as a center, draw two arcs of same length of above AB and below AB. So we have to A as a center, you have to draw the arc of above AB and below AB. You have to keep the compass like this. Don't keep this like you keep. Don't keep and draw. See how I keep? Yes, the same length. The length should not be changed. The same length we have to draw. A as a center, we have to draw the arc above and below. Next step, B as a center. B as the center, you have to draw the same length. You have to cut the arcs. You have to cut the arcs. Okay. B as a center, you have to in the same length you have to cut the arcs. So now we get the two arcs are intersecting. So the compass pencil don't use. You have to take another pencil and do. Okay. Intersecting, this is C, this is D. So two arcs are intersecting, that we have to measure, mark the point C and D. The intersecting point will be C and D. Now join the C and D. Now join the C and D. Okay. Now you measure the line and see. Now you measure and see the line. It should be, see, equally it's divide 3 centimeter. See, we are not measure anything, but the line divides the line segment. The perpendicular line divides the line segment equally. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Okay. This is perpendicular bisector of the line segment. So first step, draw the line segment. Second step, take more than half. Next, third step, A as a center, draw the arc above and below. Next, B as a center, cut the arc above and below. Now intersecting point will be C and D. Now join C and D. This line CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Next we will see the exercise. In the exercise 5.3, question number 1, C question I am going to draw. Okay. AB and all is homework. I am going to draw that C question. Sorry, D question. Question number D. ABC is homework. Listen. So first, what is the first step? What line segment is given? 10.4. So first we have to draw the first point is draw the line segment 10.4. 10.4 means after 10 and 11 we have 10 small millimeters. That is 4 points. So 10 after 4 points only 10.4. 10 after 0.4 we have 10 lines. In the 10 lines, fourth line we have to mark. So from 0, next 10.4, this fourth line you have to mark. Now you draw length AB. So this is AB 10.4 centimeter. Okay. Next step what is? Yes. A as the center, take more than half. A as a center, take more than half. You have to take more than half. It's very important concept. In higher classes also, it is very important. So you have to do by yourself. It's helpful to you. Okay. Take more than half and A as a center, draw the arc above and below. The same length, draw the arc above and below. Next, B as a center, the same length, you cut the arc above and below. Above and below. Now, intersecting points will be C, D. Now join C and D. Now join, keep the scale straight and join C and D. Now you check in 10.4 half is what? Yes, 5.2. Now you check, it is exactly 5.2. Exactly 5.2. So if it is comes exactly 5.2, your answer is correct. Okay. Next we will see that question number E, 5.8 millimeter. Question number E, 58 millimeter. That we have to write. Millimeter, we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, 58 millimeter means we have to divide by 10. It is become 5.8. It is become 5.8 centimeter. So 5.8 centimeter. Now 5.8 centimeter, what is the first point? Yes, very good. First you have to draw the line segment. 5.8 means 0. 5 after which point we have to mark? 8th point. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th point. Okay. Now draw the line segment AB. If all the ones, no need to keep AB. If you want BQ, SR, what letters you want, you have to keep. You should write in capital letters. Okay. You should write in capital. You have to choose any letters. Okay. So we draw the line segment AB. Next step. Yes. Take more than half. Take more than half. More than half. Draw above and below. Next, B as a center, cut the arc above and below. Cut the arc above and below. Next, join the point. Intersecting point will be C and D. Now, join C and D. Now, join C and D. Okay. Now, miss, I don't know, miss, how we find the half of this. Yes, you have to divide by 2. You divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 9 2s are 18. So, 5.8 half is 2.9. The same 10.4 half. 10.4 half is divide by 2. 5 2s are 10. 4.2 2s are 4. So 5.2. So this is our perpendicular bisector. I think you understand. You have to take more centimeters and you have to verify. Not only in book exercise, you have to try more problems. It is useful for you. Thank you, students. After watching, subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you.